Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is regarding about HDD and SSD and I'm gonna difference between the HDD and SSD. तो आज का video HDD or SSD का review I'm gonna show you. So please watch the video till the end and let's start the video. First of all, I'm gonna start with HDD. इसमें 500 GB का storage. This is made from platter, just like the CD. In 1 minute, this will rotate for 5,400 times. I mean the platter. File transfer rate is 75 megabyte per second पे. Just make it simple. Let's talk about SSD now. This is a solid storage of 120 GB. There is no platter inside, and this is like a memory chip, and it is 10 times faster than the HDD. When you compare with HDD, this is of 450 to 500 megabytes per second पे. So before starting the live test, हम लोग SSD और HDD install करेंगे. This is my old CPU, so इसका RAM 4 GB का है. So this is of 4th generation Core i3. मेरा motherboard भी gigabyte का है. SSD Kingston का और HDD Seagate का. And both the hard disks are in good condition. ये अभी फिलहाल ही मैंने खरीदा है. आप लोग कंफ्यूज मत होना क्योंकि SSD पे रीडिंग लेंस नहीं होता है, ये डायरेक्टली रीड करता है. जैसे कि हम लोग HDD में जब देखेंगे तो उसमें प्लैटर होता है. सो इन दैट प्लैटर वी नीड अ रीडिंग लेंस. हार्ड डिस्क आर इंस्टॉल्ड. सो जस्ट हैंग ऑन गाइस, हम लोग इस पे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डालेंगे. सो आई वांट टू इंस्टॉल द विंडोज 7 राइट नाउ. This is the last one in both the hard disks. I've installed the Windows 7. With a bootable pen drive, I've installed the Windows 7 operating system. If you want to know how to install a Windows 7 through bootable, please let me know. So Windows already installed हो चुका है. So हम लोग start करेंगे. Let's start the live test. Left पे SSD and right पे HDD. Start. Now booting process is completed at the left hand side and you are ready to use a computer. It only took 19.39 seconds. So HDD is taking time to get ready because read and write is slow in HDD. That is why guys, HDD is slower than the SSD. SSD will take your computer in different level पे. आपका जितना भी heavy software है, you can make the primary SSD. क्योंकि SSD will respond faster than the HDD. This is the specs of my computer. So this is the short video. Please suggest me guys. ये video आपके लिए helpful हुआ कि नहीं? Please comment me below. Thank you for watching my video guys, and if you like my video then subscribe my channel and comment me down below. And we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you very much.